Hey YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Tailorette, a historical costumer and creative sewist, and today I'm going to be showing you what dresses I actually make out of my sarees. I talked about all my Indian sarees, but here's an idea of what I do on assembly lines. I actually did a few videos on assembly lines a while back, so see the links below on those videos. That is how I make these dresses. These are called Regency dresses. In other words, they are early 19th century dresses. They are empire waist, high-waisted empire waist, because the empire waist goes up here. A regular waist goes around right here. And usually that is from the era of 1810 to 1815, 1820, and then the waistline started slowly dropping after that and getting back to normal. These are what they look like on the mannequins, and I model all the dresses. So if you see the link below of my shop, you'll see all of these dresses in the shop. So I'm gonna show you a few of the dresses that are actually available. To start off with, we have, I think I went over the fuchsia dress. This color is a hot item because it's not a very common saree color. When I post them in the shop, everyone just eats them up because they love fuchsia. Some of you asked to meet Bamboo, so I will bring her out in a minute. She actually matches this dress right here. So here is another fuchsia color. Now this is a cotton dress. I have made several of these, and these are a little cheaper because they don't have the saree. They are just basically the cotton. They're breathable. They're very great for summer. They're short sleeve. I can also make them an elbow sleeve as well. And moving on to the sarees, I have this black saree. It also has this gold embroidery trim on it. These trims I use from the edges of the sarees. I think I talked about that in my previous video from this week, so you'll have to take a look at that. Yeah, so I just cut up the trims and use it on the dress so that it all goes together. I don't have to buy any of my trims. The only thing that I have to purchase is these cover buttons. I do have to make my cover buttons, and I have a video on that as well. So, and here's an olive green, kind of the same idea as the black one. And I used all the trims from the edges of the saree, and as you can see, here is the panel at the bottom that I talked about. There is a panel at the end of a saree, and that's what I use to go under the dress because these are 2 layers. When this goes over, it looks like it has a gold underskirt underneath. I have several different colors. I like to have a variety of colors. I don't only like to have muted colors because I do believe in every era that you had some people who liked bright colors, some people liked muted colors. It's just like today, we have a variety of tastes. Here is a mustard cotton dress. I have a few different colors in the shop. Y'all tell me what you think about these cotton dresses because I've been up in limbo as to whether I should be making more of them. I'm not sure. I love this mustard color, but I know some other people may not, so comment below on the favorite colors that you actually like in this video. I would love to hear your thoughts on that. And this is a red dress. These are usually a hot item because, I mean, this looks very much like a Christmas dress, but it's beautiful and it could be worn to a ball, a Regency ball. Here is a teal color. This is one of my favorite colors, and this is a very odd color to find. It's really hard to find this color saree in stores or even online. It's not the easiest thing to find. Here's a mustard saree mixed with a little bit of red, and that's what I love about some of the sarees is they come in 2 different colors. And so you get certain color combos that you're actually not used to having in a dress. And I actually do like how they mix the red and the mustard in this dress as well, and you'll see that this is the same for this one as well, this green and the blue, kind of like a Tinkerbell green mixed with like a sky blue, baby blue maybe. I really like this color combo here. I'm a wild color girl, so if you guys don't like these colors, I totally understand. And here is a navy dress. This has metallic thread woven through it to give it a little bit of a shine to it, so it's kind of, it looks like a print, but it's actually woven. All of these look like they could be printed. Like this one looks like it could be printed. This is embroidered into the fabric. This is not a print. None of these are prints. These are legitimate woven into the dress. Some of the dresses are printed, but that's very rare. It's not, the dresses that I sell, it is very rare to see a printed saree because I'm not a huge fan of printed sarees. These are my sarees. These are all available in the shop. Plus I have plenty more dresses available in the shop. I just did not put them here. I figured you didn't want to see all of them, but please head on over there if you're interested in purchasing one, or if you have any tips on colors that you would like to see, or any of these colors that stand out to you, please comment below. I would love to hear your opinion because my opinion can be a little bit wild compared to some people because I really love bright colors. Please do check out my website because I would really like to know what you have to say about my dresses. Yeah, and please be brutally honest because I want your honest opinions. That's really important. Yeah, because this is for you guys. Dresses are for you guys, videos are for you guys. So, adios everyone. So this is Bamboo right here. Can you say hi to the YouTubers, Bamboo? And she just pooped on my hand. That's really comfortable. Anyways,